Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I would like to show you how to saute mushrooms very easily on the stove. And making a roast tonight, and I thought these mushrooms would be really good with it. So let's just go ahead and get started. What I have my pan right here, and I had just turned it on, and I've got it like on medium low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. That's probably about a tablespoon. And I use the sauteing olive oil. And to that, I'm going to add about the same amount of butter. And probably a little less than of the butter at this point. We'll probably add as we go along. And then I have some mushrooms here. There's probably about 2 cups here that are sliced. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these in. There we go. And you know, depending on how many people you're cooking for will depend on how much you prepare. So it's just Richard and I for dinner tonight. And so these, of course, will cook way down. And but this will be plenty for us. And we'll probably have a little bit extra, actually. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let these saute here for a little bit. And we'll be back in about probably 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll see how they're coming along.
What's the temperature on this, Glow?
It's on medium-low right now.
Medium-low, okay. We'll be back.
Hi. Well, our mushrooms have been busy cooking here for about 3 minutes. So let's go ahead. And you can tell my burner obviously cooks a little hotter on one side than the other. I did rotate my pan, but you can see how these are cooking quicker than these over here, and I rotated just about a minute ago. So look how beautiful those are.
Looks good, Miss Glow.
Yeah. And by not adding a lot of butter or olive oil at first, that's what helps promote that nice golden browning. It's going to give you a lot more flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to turn all of these, and then we'll be adding about the same amount of butter and olive oil to these again, and then just lightly salting and peppering, well, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then I usually do a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder on them as well. So I'll be back in just a second and we'll do that step. Well, I got all these turned, and don't they look beautiful?
Look good.
And so yummy. About the same amount of olive oil as before, and also the butter. Now, if you wanted to have more of a butter sauce, by all means, add more butter, olive oil, whatever you want. But we're going to be serving this with the roast tonight that has gravy. So we really don't need all that additional. And but I did definitely want to bring out the flavor of these mushrooms. And by doing that and just a little bit of butter and olive oil, it really brings it out. Now I'm just going to lightly sprinkle some black pepper over this. Same with the salt. You don't want to overpower it by any means. A little bit of garlic powder. And the same with the onion powder. Not much. And that's all there is to it. Doesn't it look yummy? And look how quick that was.
Quick and easy.
It's a wonderful side. You can put this on steak. Mushrooms go great with a hamburger. Whatever, and it's just a very easy dish. So anyway, that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll be back just as soon as this cools enough to give it a taste test. Okay, look at these mushrooms, you guys.
Looking good. They smell good. I can smell them. I really smell them.
Yeah, good. I can smell the mushroom and the garlic and a little bit of the onion and pepper in this. Smells so good, of course, the butter and the olive oil. They're so good. They're going to be delicious with this roast. I'm going to give you a peek at this roast too while we're here. This has been cooking in my crock pot all day. And we're going to have this tonight with mashed potatoes and some steamed carrots and the mushrooms with the gravy. That's a rump roast. And I'll put a link at the bottom of this mushroom recipe for this as well. It just makes a very simple dinner that is absolutely delicious. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. And if you have, and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Give me a like or a thumbs up and a comment. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.